So first of all, what is the molarity? So firstly we symbolize by capital M. So molarity means it is the weight by volume solution or solid by liquid preparation. So what is the definition of molarity? First we have to factorize this word mole plus larity. Mole. 1 mole of substance when dissolved in 1 liter of solvent always makes 1 molar. It means that 1 molar means molarity solution or molar solution. So what is the meaning of 1 mole? 1 mole of molecules is equal to molecular weight of substance or 1 mole of atom means atomic weight of substance atom. So how we calculate the number of moles? The number of moles is equal to moles is equal to weight of substance by molecular weight. So typically we define 1 moles dissolved in 1 liter makes 1 molar. If you 2 moles dissolve in 1 liter, it makes 2 molar. So regarding questions, MCQ question. When 3 moles of substance dissolving 1 liter of solvent, it makes how much molarity solution? Simple questions. Option number A 1 molar, B 2 molar, C 3 molar, D 4 molar. So we know 1 mole 1 liter 1 molarity, 2 mole 1 liter 2 molarity. Likewise 3 moles in 1 liter 3 molarity. Question number 2. How many moles present in 180 grams of H2O? Option number A 10 moles, B 2 moles, C 1 moles, D 5 moles. So first we know how many moles. It means number of moles. The number of moles is equal to weight by molecular weight. So how much molecular weight? 180. Now what is the molecular weight of H2O? The H2O means beta hydrogen 1 oxygen. 2 into 1 plus 8 to the 16, 18. So divide that 18, 10 moles. So we take in a 10 moles. So other definition. What is the definition? Question number 3. When a moles of substance is dissolved in 1 liter of solvent, it makes which solution? So a mole means 1 mole, 1 liter. So moles versus liter. Option number A, 1 molar, B, 2 molar, C, 1 normal, D, 2 normal. So here is a mole. So mole को सम्बन्ध लिटर सँग छ भने 1 मोल 1 लिटर छ भने जहिले पनि 1 मोलार हुन्छ. अथवा ऑप्शन नंबर ए मोलारिटी सोल्यूशन, बी नॉर्मल सोल्यूशन, सी परसेंटेज सोल्यूशन, डी मोलार सोल्यूशन. सो 1 लिटर भएको हुनाले हामीले मोलारिटी सोल्यूशन अथवा क्वेश्चन इज द सेम. ऑप्शन मोलार सोल्यूशन, बी नॉर्मल सोल्यूशन, सी परसेंटेज सोल्यूशन, डी मोलार सोल्यूशन. At that condition also is a molar solution. Molar solution, molarity solution, 1 molar is same. So what is the definition? The definition is that when 1 mole of substance is dissolved in 1 liter, then it always makes molarity solution or molar solution. So one is the other limitation. Other definitions, 1 mole is called to molecular weight. So point number 2, when molecular weight, it means that 1 mole of substance is dissolved in 1 liter, then it also makes 1 molar or molarity solution. So, what is the relationship? Molecular weight, 1 liter, molarity solution. 1 mole, 1 liter, molarity solution. Now, the formula of molarity. Formula of molarity. So what is the formula of molarity? M is equal to gram per liter by molecular weight. So we can write that gram by molecular weight into liter. It means that gram comes from weight. What is the symbol of weight? W. By molecular weight is a symbol M, liter, V in liter. Or we can write that W by M into V if in ml, then ml should be converted to liter. So 1000 divided V divided 1000, so 1000 is a multiplier of W. So this is the formula. When your question is given in ml, use this formula. Given in liter, use this formula. When you have a gram per liter, then use this formula. Case number 1. Case number 1. If you have a bottle of H2SO4 with SPGR, it means that specific gravity. It's a density 9.8 gram per liter. Then it is equivalent to how much molarity. If you represent this case in a question, suppose we have a stock solution of S2SO4 with SPGR 9.8 gram per liter. Then it is equivalent to how much molarity? This is a question. So how we define that? So given, let's talk about solution. Given SPGR 9.8 gram per liter. Molecule is a S2SO4. So what is the molecular weight? The molecular weight of S2SO4. It means that 2 hydrogen, 1 sulfur, 4 oxygen. So 2 into hydrogen को atomic weight 1 plus 1 into sulfur 16, 32, 4, 8, 16. So we have calculated 2, 32, 64, 98 gram. So question given at the gram per liter. So we have a formula of gram per liter, molarity, M is equal to gram per liter by molecular weight. So what is the gram per liter? 9.8. And what is the molecular weight? We calculate from S2SO4 98. So if you divide that 0.1 molar. So you have a given options 0.1 molar, 0.2 molar, C 0.3 molar, D 0.1 normal. So we take in a 0.1 molar. So case number 2. Case number 2. So if you have a bottle of S2SO4 with SPGR 9.8 gram per ml. So it is equivalent to how much molarity? So if you write in a sentence, if you have a stock solution of, question number 2, if you have a stock solution of S2SO4 with SPGR gram per ml, then it is equivalent to how much molarity? So at that condition, you can use the formula of ml. First we have given SPGR. What is SPGR? 9.8 gram per ml. It means that weight is equal to 9.8 gram. Volume is equal to 1 ml. So we can write that 1 ml contains 9.8 gram of S2SO4. So we can write that. Now, what is the molecular weight of S2SO4? We did before that 98 gram. So we use the formula M is equal to W into 1000 by M into V ml. What is the W? 9.8 into 1000 by what is the molecular weight? 98 into 1 ml. So if you cut this 0.1 or if multiply 100 molarity. So option, if your option has like that, 100 molarity, 0.1 molarity, C 200 molarity, D 300 molarity. So you can check 100 molarity. So other option, other methods. If you want to calculate using the formula gram per liter, so here the given SPGR 9.8 gram per ml, but your formula has a gram per liter, so it has should be converted to gram per liter. So what is the meaning of 9.8 gram per ml? 1 ml solvent contains 9.8 gram of H2SO4. If it containing 1000 ml solvent, 9.8 into 1000 ml, it means that gram per liter. So what is the calculation? 9800 gram per liter. So now molecular weight 98. What is the formula? Gram per liter by molecular weight. So what is the gram per liter? 9800 after calculation. And what is the molecular weight? 98. After derivation, 100 molar. So you can use this formula ml, or you can also use this formula. So I think you understand this problem. Now case number 3. Case number 3. Case number 3. If you have a stock solution of H2SO4, it is a 98%. So it is equivalent to how much molarity? How much molarity? At that condition, so at that condition, how we calculate the molarity? So first we have to know what is the 98%. 98% means 98 gram in 100 ml. So in ml, you can directly use the ml formula. So what is the ml formula? Molarity is equal to W into 1000 by M into V in ml. So what is the B? What is the B? B is equal to 100 ml. What is the weight? Weight is equal to 98 gram. What is the molecular weight of H2SO4? So 98 gram. So we put the values here. W 98 into 1000 by 98 into 100. 98, 98 to 0. After derivation, 10 moles. Or other method. You can use the gram per liter formula. So here given is a 98%. So what is the meaning of 98% of H2SO4? 98% of H2SO4. It means that 98 gram in 100 ml. So it should be converted to gram per liter. It means that 100 ml of solvent contains 98 grams. So what is the 1 ml? 98 by 100. And in 1000 ml, 98 by 100 into 1000. So 980 gram per liter because we calculate the calculation in terms of thousand. So we calculate the gram per liter. So what is the molarity? Gram per liter by molecular weight. 980 by 98. 10 molar mole. 10 molarity. So this is the derivation if your question says contains 98%. Case number 4. Case number 4. Case number 4. If basicity is equal to 1, then normality बराबर molarity होता है. So what is the basicity? Basicity is equal to number of replaceable hydrogen in acid. For example, acid from basicity. HCl. How many hydrogen? 1. Basicity 1. H2SO4. How many hydrogen? 2. Basicity 2. Phosphoric acid. How many hydrogen? 3. Basicity 3. If basicity 1 by 2, the normality is equal to molarity function. Suppose the question asked, what is the normality of HCl with 2 molar? Option number A, 1 molar, B, 2 molar, C, 3 molar, D 1 by 2 molar. This is your option. So here HCl, the number of hydrogen 1. What is the basicity? 1. So if your basicity becomes 1, at that condition normality is equal to molarity. So here is the wrong interpretation and. So we take the 1 normal. 2 molar, 2 normal. Because we have a HCl, number of hydrogen 1, the basicity is equal to 1, and HCl has 2 molar. At that condition, basicity 1 popularly, normality is equal to molarity. So we have a 2 molarity, then normality is also 2. Case number 5. If basicity is not equal to 1, if basicity is equal to not equal to, then we use the relationship molarity is equal to normality by basicity. This is the formula for the conversion. Suppose question, if we have H2SO4 with 2 molar, then it is equal to how much normality? Option number A, 1 normal, B 2 normal, C 4 normal, D 8 normal. This is your option. First we have to write that H2SO4. So number of hydrogen 2. What is the basicity? 2. So more than 1, not equal. Then we use the formula. M is equal to N by B. What is your molarity? Given 2 molar. 2. What is your basicity? 2. So multiply that. 2 into 2, 4. So we take the 4 normal. Case number 6. Case number 6. If acidity is equal to 1, acidity always present in a base. So at the condition normal is equal to molarity. What is the acidity? Acidity means number of replaceable OH ion in base. For example, base, acidity, HCl, NaOH, sodium hydroxide. The number of OH 1, acidity 1. Mg magnesium hydroxide, Mg 2. Number of OH 2. Aluminum hydroxide. Number of OH 3. Acidity 3. So question, if the molarity of NaOH is 3 molar, then it is equal to how much normality? How much normality? So we deal here. Option number A, 3 normal, B, 2 normal, C, 1 normal, D, 1 by 2 normal. So solution. What is the solution? NaOH. So number of hydrogen, number of OH, hydroxide ion 1. Acidity is equal to 1. So what is the given molarity of sodium hydroxide is 3 molar. When acidity is equal to 1, normality is equal to molarity. That's the reason NaOH has a acidity 1. So if it has a 3 molar, then it is equivalent to 3 normal. So we can treat 3 normality. Case number 7. Case number 7. If acidity is not equal to 1, then what is the relationship? Molarity is equal to normality by acidity. Suppose like questions, if you have a stock solution of aluminum hydroxide AlOH all 3 with 3 molar, then it is equal to so we use the formula acidity not equal to molarity is equal to N by A. What is the molarity? Given 3. 3 normal. What is the acidity? 3. So what is the normality? 3 into 3, 9. So we have option 1 normal, B 2 normal, C 9 normal, D 5 normal. So we can take 9 normal. So one last case. Case number 8. Suppose you have to dilute the concentration. Suppose you have the dilute the concentration. So we always use the Titus equation. S1 V1 बराबर S2 V2. This is a combination of stock solution. Now this is the condition of working solution. Suppose we have a question. To make 2 molar of 100 ml of H2SO4 from stock solution of H2SO4 with 10 molar. How much volume should be pipetted from stock solution? So at the dilution, we have a stock solution 10 molar. We have to make 2 molar of 100 ml. So 10 molar to 2 molar. So dilute variable. So we use the dilution equation. Firstly, we have to give what is the concentration of stock solution? S1 is equal to 10 molar. What is the concentration of working solution? S2 is equal to 2 molar. What is the volume need? B2 is equal to 100 ml. So question asking how much volume should be pipetted? So we have to calculate V1. So at the Titus equation S1 V1 बराबर S2 V2. S1 10 molar, V1 not given, S2 2 molar, 100 ml. So V1 is equal to 2 into 100 by 10, 20 ml should be pipetted. Or if you ask how much diluent needed, how much diluent needed to make 2 molar of 100 ml. So what will calculate is stock solution, working solution, stock solution, the stock solution pipetted 20 ml. So what is the final volume, final working solution? Final working solution 100 ml. So what is the diluent need? The diluent need is equal to working solution minus stock solution. Mani ko 100 minus 20. So we need 80 ml of diluent. So this is the cases where we deal the molarity. Hope you all guys understand this problem. So thank you very much.
के तपाईहरु लाइसेन्स एक्जाम क्र्याक गर्नको लागि राम्रो स्टडी सेन्टरको खोजी